What's up guys, Lech here. Today a quick video to show you how to fix a bent rim. It was windy, the hoop fell down, and as you see we got a bad bend here. So we're gonna pop this rim off, which is the 4 screws that hold it down, and we'll show you how to straighten it. Here's a rim. Now we're just gonna pop the spring off. So we can remove this back, and then we can work on it. So it's worse than I thought. We also got a break here at the welding spot. I do have a cheap Harbor Freight welder, so we'll try to weld it, but if no luck, we might have to replace the rim or just make it work like this. So this metal here is pretty soft. You can technically lay this on a flat surface and hammer it out to flatten it. I'm gonna try putting in that vise over there. The welding will be the trick. We just shoved it in the vise and I'm squeezing it as tight as I can to try to straighten out. I might use a hammer a little bit just to get it more flat. After the vise, couple taps with the hammer right here on these lines, and I got it pretty straight. And you know it's a lot straighter because once I straighten it out with the hammer, now it's snapping right into place here and it's staying, it's not sticking out anymore. So now we're gonna clean this up and see what we can do with the welding. Wire brush. I'll get under here with something smaller as well. And this is the cheap welder I was talking about I got from Harbor Freight some years ago. And I am no welder of any kind, so don't take my advice on welding, but I'm going to do my best using this one. So bare metal for connection. I have this clip holding this down so it's tighter fit. And then let's give it a go. Let's clean this up and let's hope it holds. So here it is. Here it is. It looks pretty solid. Feels solid. Just gotta spray paint it to avoid rust, and we can put it back on. But you know, if this wasn't broken, it was just bent, then the hammer action or the vise will be enough to straighten it out. The welding is just an extra. You know, if you don't have access to a welder, I mean, another option will be drill a couple holes here and here and kind of tighten it down with some heavy wire to this part, or maybe even screws, drill holes, small holes through the pipe all the way here and tighten down. I don't know how long that will hold, but that would be another solution for you. Or just get a new rim, but this is more fun. Hoop is fixed up. Now we just gotta reassemble the spring and we are good to go. Another thing to show you guys, see this little lip on the bracket that the spring connects to? This actually goes around here. So even if you couldn't fix the crack, that would hold everything in place here for you. Just keeping it tight. So that's another solution if you're not able to weld it. And there you go, guys, we got a fixed rim. Feels solid, nothing's breaking, looks good. Test it out for a while and then give you guys final feedback at the end. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful. Please subscribe, check out my channel. Lots of cool how-to videos. Thank you, guys.